How to use OBS Studios for perfect live streams. Firstly, make sure that you have downloaded OBS Studios. Go to any of your preferred web browser and search for OBS Studios. Click on the download option to download it for your device. You can download it on your Windows, Apple, or Linux. After opening OBS Studios, it will look something like this. On the bottom right corner, you will see your settings option. Click on it. From the left panel, click on Stream. When you click on this drop-down icon, you will see a lot of platforms. OBS supports a lot of platforms for streaming. You can use YouTube, Twitch, and many more streaming platforms. You simply need to click on Use Stream key and copy paste your stream key to start your streaming. Once you are done with that, simply click on Apply to apply the changes. Now on your OBS Studios, on the bottom left corner, you will see Scenes and Sources. In the Scenes section, click on the plus icon and name your scene. Once you click on OK, then your scene will be created. Now you need to start creating your sources. There are different sources like game capture, display capture, and many more. Select according to your requirement and click on Start Recording. That's all for today. Thank you.